Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So me and my honey did a paver patio DIY in our backyard. We were having a housewarming and we needed to have something to put our grill and stuff on. So we did all the digging, we did the compacting, we put the base down, and this was a job and it was a lot. So we kind of started to finagle and do things on our own that was not traditional because it did get very hard for us. So as you see, we tried to compact it down. It was hard to level out the base sand. We did use base panels, which I do recommend. That's the black boards you see, that's base panels. That does help out a lot with getting the pavers level. We did do a design with the pavers instead of doing them all the same direction, which it actually turned out really, really well. Here's a look at me just being exhausted, but we did not give up. It was nighttime by the time we finished putting all the pavers down. We did have the small block pavers that we wound up putting around the border, and then we also put rocks, white rocks, around the border as well to fill them in, but just wanted to give you all a look of our process. So this is the patio right now. It's springtime, so we're doing like spring cleaning. I got the lawnmower out here and stuff like that, but this is the patio itself. Put rocks around it, have the grill on here. We have weeds starting to grow through, so I know we gotta do some fixing of this, but we have more rocks so we can clean this up. But overall, this is how it is. It's a year later, and one thing I want to say is if you get the compressor, you do not want to go over it multiple times because our brick actually cracked. We had a few cracks, so because we had our housewarming and stuff like that, we didn't feel like fixing it at that point, but we will be doing that this year, fixing that. But I wanted to show you all the ending result of this, how it looks. And not too bad for doing it yourself, DIY, for first time home buyers. Love the two-tone gray. Just looks really, really nice. No complaints from us, and we're going to professionally get it expanded and everything like that, so we can put furniture and stuff on there. But we just was grilling not too long ago, so we have the table here, we have our grill here, tiki lights, we have those. I'm rearranging things in the backyard right now, so but I had to show y'all an actual 1 year update. This is held up very nicely, and this is dirt if you're wondering, just mud. But yes, we will be fixing this up for sure this year, but we had to get something down for our housewarming so that we can have a grill section and stuff like that in our huge backyard. If you're interested in this trampoline, I'll link it down below as well, because we found this and it is available on Amazon. Also, they had it at BJ's last year, so I'll link both of them just you know, it's a Propel trampoline. And this is really nice. Our big kids, small kids can all get in there. But yeah, so update on our DIY homeowner, first time homeowner patio. Love this. So y'all, thank you so much for watching my quick little video. I'm out here doing yard work, but I just wanted to share this because I realized I did not have an ending for this patio. So like and subscribe. I'll be showing you guys a lot more of content that I have done in our house. Sorry, I'm looking this way, the camera's here. So thank you guys again. I will see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, you guys. Let me know how you think we did. We really did this thing for sure. The most hardest part was the digging part, getting the dirt up and everything like that. We did get some help with that, called some friends over to help us. Thank God for them. But a lot of the tools and things that we use to do this ourselves, I'll place down below. I did not get a lot of footage, but I had to show y'all that we did this thing ourselves. We did a freaking patio, stamp patio on our own, paid for with our own coin. So I'm super proud of me and my honey. So again, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.